I have a dog. I had a dog. She has long hair. She had long hair. He has a fever. He had a fever. They have fun. They had fun. You have a good idea. You had a good idea. We have dinner early. We had dinner early. He has a chance. He had a chance. She has a red car. She had a red car. I have a cold. I had a cold. They have a party. They had a party. He has many toys. He had many toys. We have guests. We had guests. You have milk. You had milk. I have no money. I had no money. He has great luck. He had great luck. She has lunch. She had lunch. They have time. They had time. I have books. I had books. We have a big house. We had a big house. She has many friends. She had many friends. He has a clean room. He has a clean room. You have many options. You had many options. They have power. They had power. She has respect. She had respect. I have paint. I had paint. They have school today. They had school today. She has a sweet voice. She had a sweet voice. You have clean clothes. You had clean clothes. He has a loud laugh. He has a loud laugh. I have big dreams. I had big dreams. They have red apples. They had red apples. I have some notes. I had some notes. I have yellow flowers. I had yellow flowers. She has long nails. She has long nails. You have homework. You had homework. She has a headache. She had a headache. I have a brother. I had a brother. He has a red shirt. He had a red shirt. I have a smartphone. I had a smartphone. We have an umbrella. We had an umbrella. I have a key. I had a key. You have a cup of tea. You had a cup of tea. We have a printer. We have a printer. We have fun games. We had fun games. I have free time. I had free time. They have green plants. They had green plants. We have a picnic. We have a picnic. He has a tennis racket. He had a tennis racket. We have a shopping list. We had a shopping list. You have a soft bed. You had a soft bed.